To make 2 pancakes, protein pancakes, I actually use the Kodiak pancake mix, and this is the buttermilk flavor. It already has 14 grams of protein in it. And to make 2 pancakes, 2 very large pancakes, you need 1 scoop of this, 1 cup of this mix. I do a whole scoop of protein powder, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 4 egg whites. So per pancake, it's 2 egg whites per pancake. But anyway, that'll give you about 33 grams of protein, 39 grams of carbs, and that includes the berries in your total mix to use as a syrup on top of your pancakes. And they're pretty tasty. The pancakes themselves are sweet without the berry topping. It's a really yummy breakfast. Here is my berry mixture that I'm just going to cook down into a syrup. It's 1 cup of mixed frozen berries, some stevia, and a little bit of water. These pancakes are huge. Just look how big they come out. They're not even fitting on the plate. And they're pretty thick too, so good sized pancake. Okay, I'm just gonna add my berry syrup to the center of these pancakes. And super yummy, ready to eat.